So, I mean, let's dive in. Let's talk straight away about the course that we've created, and I mean, I'll stick it up on the screen, and we can start talking about some of the lessons and the value that we've packaged into that online course between yourself and I. So, Salil, I mean, what was the intention that we wanted to achieve, with creating this course, and what can people expect to be able to benefit from? Having gone through the course, and I mean, thrilled to announce that we'll be providing a few very limited exclusively available, free seats available during this webinar. But just before we make that offer to everybody, just explain what's gone into the course and what people can benefit from it, as they go through the lessons. And I'll stick it up for us to then start having a look at.
Yeah, no, we talk about everything. So what we did was we went through a recruiter's journey on how they'd find someone on LinkedIn, how they'd look at their profile, and how they'd understand it. So we separated out into three sections. The first section is how is a recruiter going to find you, right? In that section, we talk about everything. We talk about the search bar. Obviously, they can just search data analyst in Johannesburg, right? Or they can search for accountant in Johannesburg or accountant in anywhere, right? So the first is the search bar, where we talk about how they'll actually search for you. Then we talk about how or what other factors that go in. For example, search by job title. It can be searched by location. It can be searched by skills. So all these are ways for any recruiter to specifically find you. So we go in deep into the find section, and then we talk about all of that. Then we go into how or what other ways you can do that. You can optimize your LinkedIn profile where people can find you using the search title or the search tags. Then you can talk about hashtags. You can just go on the search bar and type hashtags. And then so there are all these ways recruiter can first look for you where you get those inbound leads. Then and if Peter will talk about, we'll talk about section 2 in how to find a job or get visibility. What you'll also see is that we talk about specifically about how a recruiter can find you, but also how you can apply for jobs or how you can be on their radar as well. So that's very powerful in terms of applying for jobs or getting the inbound leads, and then that's how you are first discovered by a recruiter. Then when we move on to section 3, it's all about how to impress the recruiters or how they look at you. So we talk about the profile image and the headline. That's the first thing. You take the mouse pointer and you see. So we tell you how to optimize the profile image, how to optimize the headline, how to showcase the best headline that conveys everything that a recruiter might need to know about you. And then finally, it's the understanding section where literally we've covered each and every section of the LinkedIn profile, from skills, achievements, hobbies, experience, academic qualifications. Every section we break down into individual lectures, so recruiter can get as much information as possible about you. And it's your profile, right? So they should be able to answer all the questions. So it has everything that they need to know about you. And then there's an optional section about LinkedIn Premium, LinkedIn additional LinkedIn features, additional LinkedIn settings that you can use. There's an additional lecture about blogging. We have a separate course on how to blog on LinkedIn. But the idea is that you can start your blogging journey right now on LinkedIn. It's very easy. So we have that section as well. So all of this will help you just get everything you need to do to either find a job for yourself or have recruiters find you and offer you the job as well either. So both of the aspects are covered in that structured manner on how a recruiter will look for a job.